How neural networks evolved. From perceptrons to deep learning, neural networks have become one of the most important tools in modern machine learning, powering everything from voice assistants to self-driving cars. But how did they evolve into what we use today? In this video, we'll explore the fascinating journey from simple perceptrons to deep neural networks. It all started back in the 1960s with the perceptron, a basic form of a neural network. Researchers quickly realized that a single perceptron wasn't powerful enough to handle complex tasks. Trials with multiple perceptrons revealed that using more layers of neurons significantly boosted processing power. This discovery marked the beginning of what we now call multi-layer networks. Researchers discovered that these networks, with layers of interconnected neurons, could process more data and learn from it more effectively. Fast forward, and the introduction of backpropagation became a game changer. With backpropagation, neural networks learned from their mistakes. Errors from the output were traced back through the layers to adjust and improve the network. This backward error correction made it possible for networks to adjust their weights automatically, allowing them to adapt to new data. As we advance, artificial neural networks, or ANNs, came into play. These networks introduced hidden layers, which took data processing to a whole new level. Hidden layers process data in ways too complex for even the most skilled human programmers. They identify patterns, trends, and features in data that would otherwise be impossible for us to detect. Today, neural networks are at the heart of technologies like image recognition, natural language processing, and autonomous systems. Without the advancements from perceptrons to multi-layer networks and backpropagation, much of today's AI wouldn't be possible. From humble beginnings to the powerful deep learning systems we use today, neural networks have come a long way. If you found this video interesting, hit the like button and subscribe for more insights into the world of machine learning and AI. Thanks for watching.